Boy Lux, you know, and we back with another purchase. So right now, we got the West Slope Pro-80 Slim. About to go ahead and open it up and see what's to it. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and pull it out right here. As you can see, got it upside down, but this is it right here. Got the little camera, little slot. As you can see, so we'll go ahead, open that up. It's always the proper way to do things, but we're just gonna be reckless. So, definitely slim for sure. Chest pack. Got the little slot, slide down, put the camera right there. Slides right back up. Let y'all see that. That's the back part. So, I'm assuming you would just put it on just like such. So I guess this is my first time messing around with it. So I guess y'all will see it as I struggle. Okay, with it being on my body, obviously, you know, I got a hoodie on right now, you know, but it definitely is light for sure. You know, compact. I feel like it's not too bad. Empty, of course. But I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. Bam, just like such. So, obviously, on the other side compartment. Okay, this is for the phone. Boom. Put your phone in there. Bam. So it looks like this is just all for your phone or whatever. It's really nothing really else. It's not like a pocket or anything. You can probably put some $1 or $2 in there, some money, whatever. But it just seems like this is kind of just meant to be the compartment for the phone. I'm just looking for like a side compartment. Okay, zipper right here. Very spacious. Hand goes in all the way in. I can touch my fingers on that side there. Zip that back up. Seems very durable. And oh wait, got another zipper. So I'm gonna open up both and see if I can touch my hands. Yep. So you can access it from both sides there. Nice, nice, nice. Very spacious. And that's it really. But that's not all. A lot of y'all. So we got this right here. This is the night kit. So I got the what is it? The combo deal. So I guess it's the lights that go along the side. So I'll show y'all that later. Y'all can look at videos on that right now, but just let me check it out. But also the hydration kit here. So I'm assuming maybe it would just attach on the back and kind of loop down to the front. And that's it. I'll let y'all see this up close real quick. I'm gonna keep it real short and don't go into all of that. So literally just a little pouch right there. Yeah, that would connect into there. And that's it. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. So I'm gonna go ahead and you know, wear it for a bit, and I'll let y'all know, you know, as time goes on, if I like it, if it's convenient, if it's something that works for me, and we'll see. We'll go from there.